Changlo is a folk dance of which state? Changlo is a folk dance of Nagaland state. This is performed by Chang tribes. They perform it to celebrate the victory against their enemies. Veethi Bhagavatam is a famous dance form of which state? It is the famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh state. In which state is the Sarhul festival celebrated? Sarhul festival is celebrated in Jharkhand state of India. It is the tribals' new year. Let us see the next one. Kawal Tiger Reserve is located in which of the following states? It is located in Telangana state of India. Valmiki National Park is located in which state? Valmiki National Park is located in Bihar state of India, in West Champaran district of Bihar. Zurich Airport is located in which of the following country? It is located in Switzerland country. It is the largest airport in Switzerland. Veer Surindasai Airport is located in which of the following states? It is located in Orissa state of India. What type of soil is Khadar soil? Alluvial soil is Khadar soil. Which of the following is not an insulator? Water is not an insulator from the given options. World Malaria Day is celebrated on? World Malaria Day is celebrated on April 25th. What is the capital of Turkey? The capital of Turkey is Ankara and its currency is Turkish Lira. The currency of South Korea is? The currency of South Korea is 1 and the capital of South Korea is Seoul. Let us see the next question now. National pension system is regulated by which of the following organizations? It is regulated by Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India. Friends, Cracku is providing latest pattern SSC, CGL and CHSL mocks. We are providing 2 free mocks also for both the mock tests for ₹199. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. MODEM stands for? MODEM stands for modulator and demodulator. Which UN organization is concerned with the prevention and cure of Ebola disease? WHO, that is World Health Organization, is concerned with the prevention and cure of Ebola disease. The Pemba Island is in which ocean? The Pemba Island is in Indian Ocean. It is a part of Tanzania's Zanzibar's archipelago. Tanzania's Zanzibar's archipelago. Let us see the next one. The Gateway of India is located in? The Gateway of India is located in Mumbai. Which secret ruler is said to be a Kaviraja? Samudragupta is said to be a Kaviraja. He was an expert in Veena playing. Vadiyar dynasty had ruled the kingdom of? It has ruled the kingdom of Mysore. Dash founded Din-i-Ilahi. Akbar has founded Din-i-Ilahi in the late 16th century. Who is Julian Assange? Julian Assange is the founder of WikiLeaks. He founded WikiLeaks in the year 2006. Astadhyayi was written by? Astadhyayi was written by Parini. Who wrote the book The Discovery of India? The Discovery of India was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. In which year was the India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, got elected? He got elected in the year 1950. Don't get confused as 1947, it is 1950. India paper currency has started. India paper currency has started in the year 1861. Hope you liked the video. Hope these questions are helpful for your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And also, we are also providing previous papers of SSC, CGL and CHSL. Please do Google search Cracku, SSC, CGL and CHSL previous papers and download these papers for your better reference. If you have any doubts or any suggestions regarding the video, you can tell me through the comment section. Thank you.